I'm going to cheat a little bit, and I'm going to show you how to get a file and load the file into the CB6000 that FrontRow has already built. You're probably already, everybody's probably waiting for me to get here already. Say, just jump there. This is our website. It is gofrontrow.com. And in this website, there's an area called support. So if you go to support, you get a list of different things that we bunch under support. One of them, if you go about halfway down here, it's called Easy Room and Conductor Resources. Now the Easy Room is the blanket name we give for everything that we're talking about right now. So we're not going to say CB6000 or CM3000 by name yet. We're just going to say, go to the Easy Room area. So if you hit Easy Room Resources, now you see a lot of different resources that we have available for the Easy Rooms. Some of these are in the folder that we sent you. Now, did you send the folder? Okay. And in that folder, what we did in that folder is we just put a lot of things in there just to save you some time from having to go to our website. But you can certainly go to the website and get whatever you need. So in that area under Easy Room, let me see, where is it? Under Configuration Resources, there's one that's called Base Configuration File Library. If you click on that, what we're going to show you is we've got the CB2000, the CB2050. That is a combination of the CB2000 and that volume knob, and then the CB6000. And in here, if I click on CB6000 and CM3000, you will download that file for Epson. So what I put some of these on here for you. And like here's a CB6000 plus Epson. I'm going to go ahead and load that file. So if I go back to my CB6000, if I go down to the bottom, this area is called Save and Restore. I'm going to browse to my desktop where I have that folder, and I'm going to choose the CB6000, Epson, and then I simply hit load. And it just warns me that I'm going to override it, and I just say, okay, I know what I'm doing. Now again, I just want to explain the difference between a project file and a driver. You know, a driver is a single device. It's useful, but it only pertains to that device. A project file is that device plus the audio amplifier plus anything else that you may need, baud rate setting changes, just everything related to that project. We just feel that that's a little bit more useful because that gets you from point A to Z a lot quicker. So you can see that I just loaded a file, a brand new file for the CB6000. And if I go to the touchscreen buttons, for instance, you can see that all the buttons have been loaded for me. And if I go to the macro definition, that's been loaded for me. If I go to the action viewer, here's all the different actions that were preloaded for me. And the action viewer, event viewer, here's all the different event numbers. You can see this one's PC plus audio 1. That's sending two different events under the same event name. Now, one thing to note, I'll go back to the touchscreen buttons. When we build the project file, we decided where the buttons go based on, we've done thousands of classrooms, and this is kind of a normal look. But certainly, you are free to change this. Use our base file as a starting point, and the most important thing is that we show you all those string commands. So you can say, I don't want button number 2 to be this, I want it to be number this. And so it's easy to change once you have that base file.